Customizing machine settings. You can customize the machine settings in the setting mode. Press the Set Mode key to enter the setting mode. There are 4 setting modes. Machine Settings Mode, Ordinary Sewing Settings Mode, Embroidery Settings Mode, Language Setting Mode. For example, let's customize the thread cut after auto-lock for ordinary sewing. Press the Ordinary Sewing Settings Mode key to enter the Ordinary Sewing Setting Mode. Turn on the thread cut after auto-lock. To activate your custom setting, press the OK key. The machine trims the threads automatically after the locking stitches are finished.